In this tutorial, we will learn how can we open an existing file, how can we apply different formattings on our sheet, and then how can we save it with some other name. So to open an existing file, we'll click on this open button on the standard toolbar. It will open an open window in front of you. Then you can go to any drive or any folder to select the file that you want to open. Select it, click open button. It will open a file. In this file, I have entered some of the text. You can notice that all the cells where I have typed some text, it is by default automatically left aligned, and where in those cells where I have typed numbers, they are automatically right aligned. First of all, I would like you to notice this merge and center button. It is used to merge different cells on our sheet. I'm highlighting a group of cells from A1 to A2. I have highlighted. And then if I click on this merge and center button, so it will merge all of these cells. Now I can type any heading it. We'll apply the same thing in the next group of boxes. Click on this button merge and center and type the next heading. We can change our writing style from this font style option from this formatting toolbar. We'll open and select any desired writing style. We can increase its font size. We can apply the same thing on all of the headings. See them? Highlight all of the cells where you want to apply settings. I'm increasing their font size. I'm bolding them, and then I want to centrally align all this text, so I can center these headings by clicking on this button. We can increase the column width by highlighting all of them. We can highlight columns by when you bring your pointer on letter A written on column, the first column, hold down your select button from your mouse and just drag your mouse till H. Now see, all of them are highlighted. Now if you want to increase the width of the column, you can increase. You can do it. You can apply the same thing one by one on all the columns. But if you have highlighted all the columns and you are applying it together, so the width of all columns will increase simultaneously. Now you can see the font is emboldened, the writing style is big. We can change its writing color, text color, from this button. For example, I'm applying this blue color. If you want to fill all these cells with some other color, so there is a fill color button. You can open it by clicking on this small arrow and select any color. You can see this. I want to center align all these checks as well. These numbers should be centrally aligned. So I'm highlighting all these numbers and clicking on the center button and apply the same thing on these selected numbers. So now you have learned how can you apply different formatting styles on the text. We can apply the same thing from the cell formatting option. If you highlight the text, right click on it and select the format cell. All these options are available in this font option. You can you can select the font color from here. You can select the writing style. You can bold, italicize, and bold, italicize both. You can increase the font size. You can change them into superscript or the subscript, and you can apply different formats on these cells. Click on OK. So in this tutorial you learned about the different formattings that we can apply on our cells in a workbook. Thank you. Yeah, one more thing. We can save. How can we save our file, existing file, some other name? Click on Save As. Select your desired position where you want to save your file. I'm saving it on the desktop with the name tutorial 2, and then we will click on Save. In this way, this workbook will be saved with another name. You can notice it from here. Thank you much.